See, I want everybody here to say, if you love what we are doing right here, say aye.
Aye. And if you hate what we are doing, say nay.
The eye have it.
Definitely. Go, you eat it now.
Record you, okay. Madam, you like to say something?
Yes. What's the time now? This morning I was on my way to Lagos. I wanted to go and get some stuff. And I met this my This morning I met this my brother at Tinubu Square, and I'm so fascinated with the way he was talking. I employed a good-spirited Nigeria to please come to his aid, especially Lagos State. He urgently needs help.
Please, I don't want more to listen. CBN battling to restore Naira to its real value, says Cardoso. Who is the Cardoso? Is he CBN governor? Yes. Okay, good. Now, we can take a look at it. Our value, our Naira has been devaluated for a long time. I don't know if you are aware. If you look at the currency market. Now, how can you take the Naira to the
Do you like to play your camera?
Don't worry. Let me just stand up. I don't want that word ring. What's the meaning of that word ring? Cardoso need to explain to the world what that word ring.
Yes.
Is it that the Naira is going to appreciate for a long time or for a short time? That's what I want to know about that word ring.
Naira.
Let me correct that note, please. Don't misquote me. I'm just basically about that word real value.
Real value.
I repeat, real value.
Real value.
Let me explain a bit because I read accounting. Good. I'm an accountant of Prince University Ekpaman 2010-2011 accounting session. Are you getting me? So I graduated from Prince University Edo State Ekpaman. From their gorgeous notes. No snapping, please. There's a no you snap me, I'll look like a suspect. But snap me on a gorgeous note.
No, that's what I'm saying. Your face, your face.
Snap me on a suspect, I don't like it.
Okay.
Snap me on a gorgeous.
Okay, now.
I'm left
and what I don't miss, can use to call get that communication through the social media or through your fan set. And if there's no answer, no social media, how can communication go? So as I'm saying me, I'm a Lagosian. I'm a Lagos Bobo.
Yeah, you speak like a Lagosian.
Definitely, I'm a Lagos Bobo. If I'm a Lagos Bobo, then my parents are Lagosians.
Where
Then how can you understand me? I'm a married man. Don't look down on me. This woman, you are just too inquisitive. You are very inquisitive. Just take care of it. And I saw my mother later on. My wife has left me due to what? Financial issues. A lady, you know what fibrosis? As when she had it. So she left me. Months later, things are very down and down as a man.
You became depressed.
I don't want. That's why emotionally down.
Yeah.
But if you use that word depression, I don't like that word depression. So, hey, calm down.
Sleep.
Oh, like I will be sincere with you. Anyway, I see conducive. I pass the night. Hey, I don't like that word NGO. And how can I know you people? If you calm down. You just are very necessary. It's a proof of evidence of who you are. I would have interrogated, I would have told you who I am by a security personnel and the rest of you. For what? Impersonation. You don't know who I am. Don't calm down. Before you say Lagos State government, there must be a head.
His Excellency.
Oh.
Yes, Governor Babajide Sanwo-Olu.
My pleasure.
Governor wants to participate in helping people.
No, don't use that word people because I'm not an offer. Please. I'm a graduate, I'm a learner. Hey. I don't want to use the word person. That's Excellency. Babajide Sanwo-Olu.
Yes.
We might try.
You know, it's not easy to get governor.
Please, if you come to class, I will run away. I'm not a beggar. Okay. I am accounting. How can you become? Please, as an individual, it's my pleasure to meet you. Please, don't come with crowd. I'm not a beggar.
No.